Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve if your mobile hotspot is not showing up or being detected on your Windows 11 computer. So this could definitely be a frustrating issue. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle. And we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. So we are going to start off by opening up the search menu, type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select network and internet on the left side. And then on the right side, you want to go down to mobile hotspot and just click inside of here. Toggle to the on position. So again, make sure it's turned on. My computer does not support a mobile hotspot, so that's why it's not giving me the option here. And that's pretty much all you have to do. And then you could select the edit for underneath network properties here. And you can adjust the network name and password so that other people can connect to your Windows device to use as a mobile hotspot. So again, pretty straightforward process there, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.